Adding external vendors and users. Vendors can be added to iSpec automatically using the vendor registration, or manually using the external user manager. To add new vendors, click the Suppliers submenu under the Administration main menu. Click the Add button to create a new company form. Enter the company information. At a minimum, only the company name needs to be entered, but complete the form and click Save. To add a new user, expand the Users and Company Details section, then click the Add button to create a new user profile. A default login name is created, but this can be changed. Complete the user profile form. At a minimum, fields with an asterisk, which is the first name, last name and email address must be entered. Select a vendor user type group from the drop-down list. When the form is completed, click the Insert button to save the user profile. The vendor will then receive an email with the login details. Repeat the process if there is more than one vendor user.